Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you 3 apps that's going to pay you free PayPal money very quickly. Near the end of this video, I'm going to show you my #1 way of making money online, and that is going to make you very big money, so stay tuned for that. So let's get started right now. Here we go. Here I am. This is the first app I'm going to show you, and it is found at cashkarma.io. And in this app is very simple to use. You're just basically going to install this app, and then you're going to get earning rewards by completing surveys and other things that you will do in the app. And then you get to cash in these points for PayPal cash. So there are going to be, just to install, you will go and get 300 points just like that. Now here it says redeem points. Redeem your points for PayPal cash and Amazon gift cards. Gift card codes are loaded right on your device. So this is pretty easy. And then you can still earn bonuses by getting extra bonus. You could get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges. So complete 5 offers, watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 points, etc. to achieve these badges. So you will, once you receive these badges, you will increase your reward level each time you earn an earnings badge, levels 1 to 4. You can earn up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. So that is very cool. That is a very nice way for you to earn this way. Now let's just take a look at the reviews. Cash Karma on Google Play is very highly rated. They have over 47,000 reviewers, which is a lot, and it's averaging over 4 stars, which is 4.5 stars. Yeah, 4.5 stars, which is really good. That's a very high rating for an app, guys. In this app, you can earn rewards by completing surveys, watching videos, searching the web, etc. And then when you redeem your points, your gift card code is right there in your app. And then, like I was saying, you get to earn badges. So yeah, it tells you how much more you're earning every time you earn a new badge. So that's very cool to have other ways to earn more. So, and that's pretty much it for this one. App Kharma is the next app that's going to show you. So it's from this. So actually, Cash Kharma is from the owners of this app. So they're both separate apps. I just want to make clear of that. And you will have to sign up and install both of them separately, and the logins are going to be separate. So don't think that you can log into one and another just because they sound similar. They are separate apps, so that means that you can earn even more opportunities to earn. So they are separate, so that means you can do double the surveys, double the things in the app to earn even more. So make sure you have both of these. And this one is even better because I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so this one also complete offers and earn rewards. And you can redeem your points for PayPal as well as other gift cards. And this is for iOS and Android users. So was Cash Karma, I believe. Yes, right here it says Android and iOS. So it can be used by both phones for Cash Karma as well. I just want to confirm that. Okay, so for App Karma, this app is pretty cool where you can have a referral rewards, and you get to share your invite link to earn 30% from your referrals. And then if you have a huge YouTube channel where you can get each of your videos to generate over 1,000 views within a week, then you get upgraded to VIP to earn even more. And then you can click here if you want to learn more about how that program works. And now for Kharma Plays. Kharma Plays let you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've installed on App Kharma. Simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for, then play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. So let's see how Kharma Play works. Okay, so step 1 is complete offer with Kharma Plays. Most offers in Kharma Play work with come with Kharma plays. Total Kharma play bonuses you'll receive. It's displayed. Number of plays times bonus per play. Okay, so you get 100 points per play. It's down there. You can see how many. So step 2, you receive Kharma plays. After you get rewarded for completing the offer, the Kharma plays will appear in the Kharma plays section. So when the Kharma play becomes available in step 3, your Kharma play will be available 24 hours after you install the app. You'll get a 2 times bonus if you play with the app 1 day after you install the app. The 2 times bonus lasts only 24 hours. Oh, that's nice. So step 4, play with the app. Click play to launch the app, and you just have to play for 4 minutes to earn this reward. So step 5, you collect the bonus. After you play with the app for a couple of minutes, come back to the app Kharma to collect the bonus. Step 6 is bonus received. You receive your bonus and your next Kharma play will be available in 24 hours again. Also, this is a very cool way for you to earn some extra money within the 24-hour period of you installing the app. That's on other apps that you install through App Kharma, that is, okay? Not just playing with App Kharma. They're talking about playing with apps that you download through App Kharma. So there's a big difference, okay? So this is really cool. And then same as Cash Kharma, at App Kharma, you can also earn achievement badges where you get to level up and earn even more, up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an app offer if you reach these levels. Okay, so this is also an app that's highly rated. Look at how many reviewers there are, which means that there's like a lot of downloads. So this one, wow, over 5 million downloads, and it's regularly updated. So this is a really good app. 4.7, guys. Okay, so you can really earn quite a bit with App Kharma. It is for both Android and iTunes. I just want to show you that I just don't have the iTunes reviews up right now. Okay, so the third app I was going to show you is at AppTrailers.com. What this is you're going to watch trailers of hot apps that are going to come out, okay? And then you get to redeem to earn reward points. And if once you get the reward points, you've collected them, then you can redeem them for gift cards or even free cash through PayPal, guys, okay? So this is going to be a very easy app to use. You're going to learn it within 30 to 90 minutes of the entire app's functionality. And this little video, 29-second video, is going to show you how it works, guys. Okay, so basically how this works is that you are going to watch trailers of hot apps. Okay, so there's new apps being developed every day, and there's always a little preview of what the app is about. So you get to watch these app trailers, then you're going to collect rewards for watching them, and then once you get enough points, you get to redeem them for branded gift cards, or you can just go to PayPal and get those redeemed in PayPal money as well. So these are the types of gift cards that they have, but they say up here that you can also get free cash from PayPal as well. So for this app, there's a lot of reviews on App Trailers, but it's an okay app, I guess. It's not bad. It's almost 4 stars for that many reviews. So it's 3.8. And on iTunes for App Trailers, it's actually a higher rated. It's 4.3 with over 7,000 reviewers. Okay, so this one is not too bad. You're going to be earning points, collecting points on all the different trailer apps that you're going to be watching. And so that's what you're going to be earning, how you'll be earning. So those are the 3 apps I want to show you today that will get you some PayPal money. So it looks like from the 3 apps I show you, the best one is going to be App Kharma. It just has a lot more to it because you get a referral program that could be huge if you know how to do referrals. And then it's got the most popular on here as well. And then you get the YouTube option for a VIP program if you were to have a huge following on any social media platform. But they want specifically YouTube, so sorry about that. But anyway, this is going to be the best one out of the 3. So again, it's at cashkarma.io, appkarma.io, and apptrailers.com. All right, guys. Now, these three apps is going to make you a little bit of money here and there, and it's not going to make you any huge money, of course. So if you want to make much bigger money online, it is best to do something else. It is really best to be able to earn an online income where you can earn even if you stopped working. Okay, guys? So if you stop watching app trailers or stop doing things on these other apps, then you will stop earning. So what I do and how I make money online is much different. Okay, I build an online asset which generates traffic, generates visitors for me every day, and then I get to promote other people's products, and then I earn money. That's it. But I get to earn whether I'm working, sleeping, or playing, or on vacation, or with my family. It really doesn't matter. That's why it's like building an online income. It's really, really awesome this way. So if you want to check out the program that teaches you how to do this, it is the first link underneath the video description. So check out that first link, and then I will give you more information on this program that I've partnered with that can show beginners very easy how to get this done, guys. Okay, they give you not only a step-by-step 15-day challenge that you can go through, and then they also give you a live coach on the phone that you can talk to and get your business plan built for you, tailored to your financial goals. Okay, guys? So check out the first link underneath this video description, and I will have that for you guys. Okay? So I hope you will download these apps and get some money for yourself so you can invest it in a bigger business opportunity, like building a good online income for yourself by using programs like the one in the video description, the first link. Okay, guys? All right, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And also hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, okay? Now, I hope you will be earning money online soon, guys. So I see you on the next video. Bye.